Hi, and welcome to How to Use Your TI Inspire. My name is Mr. Hill, and today we're going to be learning one of the methods that you can use to define a function so that way you can find a particular value for that function. I have a question here. It says, if f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 1, what is the value of f of 3? So everyone grab your calculator and follow along. As you can see, I'm at the home menu, so a new document, add graphs. And this is where we're going to type in our equation. So 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. And we're going to hit enter. And then we get our graph, which is nice. But what we're going to do next is add another window. So Control Doc, add calculator. Now, if we go back to the graphing part, we can see that it says f1 of x is equal to our equation. So that means if I go back to the calculator part and I type in f1, it becomes bolded now because that means it is now defined. So now we can start finding particular values without looking at the table, of course, and all we have to do that is open up a parentheses, the value we want, so in our case 3, and close it and hit enter. And it gives us a y value that is corresponding with that x value that we just plugged in. And you can always do this, but you always have to type in the start of that function. So f of 1 here, so f1. So every single time I want to use that function, I say f1. And then I open parentheses, maybe another different value, and hit enter. Now, one thing to note that whenever you close out your calculator, because you don't always want to have the same function all the time. So if you close out your calculator and you get this part right here, always say no. So that way this can change and there's nothing saved. This has been How to Use Your TI Inspire. I hope you have a great day.